Receiving a visit from the UK border agency is almost like receiving a visit from the taxman. They can come to your office at any time, either pre-arranged or unannounced. However, the most important thing is that if they do come to your office, you are required to give them the information that they require. In our kind of clients, they normally phone us as the first port of call, and we are there to either in person to facilitate the process. If we can't be there in person, what we do is we're there over the phone to make the process as easy and as stream-free as possible. Most employers that have received visits from the UK Border Agency, the most notable ones is the London Metropolitan University, where the license that the university has to sponsor foreign students was revoked, effectively meaning that they no longer can sponsor foreign students from outside of the European Union. Another example was the Tesco, where the UK Border Agency found that they had certain foreign students that were working in breach of their visa conditions. What is important is the fact that students or employers need to be aware that they have to have proper HR systems in place so that come what may, whether the visit is unannounced or pre-arranged, employers will be able to comply with their duties and obligations at all times. Worst case scenario, the UK Border Agency could revoke your sponsor licence. That's in extreme circumstances, such as the case of the London Metropolitan University. Otherwise, the UK Border Agency can issue you with a B rating. That's normally where they will issue you with an action plan, which will involve a penalty fee of £1,500, and at the end of a 3-month period, the UK Border Agency inspecting your HR systems to ensure that you've met their obligations, and if you have, you'll be re-rated to an A rating. If not, possibly then losing your license. What is key though is at all times, if you have proper HR systems in place, then there should be no reason for you to be concerned that you might run the risk of losing your license either through revocation or indeed a B rating. Employers should make sure that they have proper HR systems in place that meet the UK Border Agency criteria for a sponsor licence. This normally involves making sure that you have systems that you can track and monitor expiry dates of visas, reporting changes in circumstances in relation to a specific individual, or with respect of an organisation, for example, changing of address. If those systems are in place, then employers should have no concern, because that is exactly what the UK Border Agency require from employers.